A very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We have started our revision. I hope that you all are regularly studying. You are doing the practice of the questions in your copy. You are doing your revision worksheet also in your copy. Students, till now we have also taken one test in the Google form. You all have done very well. Keep doing like this only. Today we will be starting with the properties of addition. We will be revising this properties of addition. What is the first property? The first property, it is known as the order property. Order property. What does it means? Changing the order of the two attendants does not change the sum. Suppose if I write 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. If I change this order, if I write 4 initially and then 3, then also it comes 7. Yes? Take a simple example, 1 plus 3 equal to 4 and 3 plus 1 is also equal to 4. If you change the order, what are these two numbers? They are called as the addendums. Because we add this two number, they are called as the addendums. So if we are changing the order of this two number, the answer will remain same. This is known as the order property. Second is the additive property of 0. Additive property of 0. What is this additive property of 0? The sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. If I add any number with 0, suppose it is 0 plus 5, then it will be the number itself. If it is 0 plus 116, then the answer will be the 116 itself. It will be the number itself. The third, it is the grouping or associative property of addition. The third one, it is the grouping or associative property of addition. Grouping or associative property of addition. Grouping or associative property of addition. In this, if let us take an example like 2 plus 3 plus 5. How much will be you getting? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. If I change this, right, if I write it 2 plus 3 plus 5, then also you will be getting the same answer. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So this grouping or associative property, it means here we are forming the group of this two number. We have changed here the group, but the answer it remains the same. So this is the grouping or associative property of addition. The next it comes the subtraction. Students, we are just revising this. I am just taking the topic again. We have done it previously in a detailed form. Now I am just revising it. I am just going through it. The next is the subtraction. Here I am writing two numbers. 4, 5, 6, 3. What is this? 4563 minus, the sign it is of the minus, 12,230. If I subtract this number with this number I'll be getting 3333. Yes. Now this number, this greater number, it is known as the minute. This number, it is known as the subtrahend. And the answer, it is known as the difference. Okay, this number, this greater number, it is known as minute. This smaller number, it is known as the subtrahend, and this is the difference. So subtraction also we used to do. Let us take a simple example. First, I am writing here a number 9483 when it is subtracted from 7, 4, 5 and 1. This is ones, tens, hundred and thousands place. So first we will be subtracting at the ones place. 3 minus 1, 2. Then we will be subtracting from the tens place. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. So this is our answer. Now let us take a word problem. A refrigerator cost, the cost of the refrigerator, it is given. A refrigerator cost, what is the cost of the refrigerator? It is rupees 9,543. This is the cost of the refrigerator. And DVD player cost is also given. This is rupees, the cost of the DVD player, it is rupees 6,874. Which cost more and by how much? You have to find which cost more and by how much. Now by looking at this number, you can say that the cost of refrigerator, it is more as compared to the DVD player, but by how much it is more? You have to find that. So you will be subtracting 9,543 with 6,874. You will be subtracting this number. So you will be subtracting 3 minus 4. Now here we can do this in the rough. I am writing this number here, 9,543,6,874. Now here see this number 3 minus 4. 3 it is smaller than the 4, so it cannot be subtracted, so it will borrow from here. So this 4 will become 3, it will borrow from here, so this 4 will become 3 and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay. Now next come here 3 minus 7. As 3 it is smaller than the 7, it cannot be subtracted, so it will borrow from this hundreds place. It will borrow from the 5. So 5 will become 4. I am just rubbing this so that you will be not getting confused. Okay, so this 5 it becomes 4 and this 3 it becomes 13. Okay, now 13 minus 7 is 6. Now next come here 4 minus 8. As 4 it is smaller from 8, so it cannot be subtracted, so it will borrow from the 9. So So 9 will become 8 and this 4 it will become 14. Now 14 minus 8. If you subtract 14 minus 8, you will be getting 6. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. So our refrigerator cost more than the DVD player. How much more? 2669 only. So students, I will be giving you a revision worksheet based on today's class. You have to do that worksheet in your fair copy. That's all for today's class. Keep practicing maths. More you perfect, more you will practice, more the perfection will come. Have a nice day. Thank you. God bless you all.